Hello everyone, my name is Peter Maintang from the Philippines, and this is my final project for Sys50 Python. So just a brief background about myself. I have bachelor's degree in biology and I'm planning to pursue graduate study involving molecular and bioinformatic analysis. So that's the reason why I started learning programming. With that being said, I've implemented this program specifically designed to calculate reagents needed for RT-qPCR or reverse transcription quantitative polymerase chain reaction protocols. This is one of the most common molecular method employed for gene expression analysis. And this program also generates worksheets as PDF file for laboratory documentation. So let's try to run the program. So that's how the program works. So first, as after running the program, we'll be directed to the reverse transcription workflow, where we need to prepare RNA or primer mixture and then the cDNA synthesis mixture. So we need some input about the number of samples for both the gene of interest as well as the reference gene or housekeeping genes, and then the availability of positive control, and then the program automatically calculates for us the amounts needed for master mix. So here, for instance, in RNA primer mixtures, so shown in the third column is the amount of reagents needed for master mix. So this take into account all the controls we have, including the positive control for GOI, so as the two reverse transcription controls, and then we also take into account extra reactions for pipetting loss or error. So that's why we have a total of 10 reactions for master mix. And after that, we need to calculate the volume of RNA and water needed for per reactions. So here it's automatically calculated for us, and then the components or reagents for cDNA synthesis mixtures. So after the reverse transcription workflow, I will then be directed to qPCR workflow. And again, here we need to enter the total number of, or the number of replicates per sample. So let's say you just have two replicates or duplicates, then we enter two, and then we also need input for the primers amount as well as the template amount, and uh, the required amount for master mix is then automatically calculated for us. But here we have additional control, which is the no template control. And the final part of this program is the generation of PDF. So we also have the chance to review the input settings, and if there's need to be corrected, we just input N or no for the question, are all input data correct? And then we can edit those inputs. But if none, all the inputs are correct, we just enter Y or yes, and the PDF is generated for us. So this is the PDF output of their program. So the page 1 is intended for reverse transcription worksheet, while the second page is intended for qPCR worksheet. So that's all about the program, and thank you for watching.